Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. We are doing Vlogmas 12 days all the way up to Christmas Day. This is the first day. Let's warp in. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Come on and focus.
You like it?
Should like me. Watch Dad's can.
No way. We can't be giving them away.
What's that?
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Wow. Mace got a plug sockets. Wow.
It's painted in a Christmas bauble kit. I love it. Oh, look.
Literally, your own.
Look at this. I got this.
Gravy bar.
Oh, we've got one. That's quite good.
And look.
Yeah, that tree.
Christmas tree.
That's wrapping paper.
It's for yeah. We've got a Christmas tree advent calendar.
What's that one over?
Should I open it?
No, it's stars.
Can I open it?
No, it's for stars for presents.
See how big it is.
Should we take in turns with the advent calendar, maybe?
That's a lorry.
Oh, it's, yeah. There it is. It didn't focus then for some reason.
Should reuse Lidl's box dropper present up.
Yeah, you could do.
Look.
Your camera's going out of focus.
Mommy, Daddy, look our phone. Mommy, look our phone.
What did you find? Some.
Keep it.
Oh, Christmas cards. All thanks to Lidl. And I'm sure Rich will tell you more about it shortly. Fair?
One of the days, one of the 15 days, it'll be put that down. It's heavy. We'll break
Put it down, Bun.
Walk it.
I hope everybody enjoyed that video. It was just a small one. That was the first day. We're doing 12 days Vlogmas this year. So a whole 12 days of fun today. All the way up to Christmas Day. Obviously we'll have the family video like we always do. So don't forget to subscribe, turn that notification bell on every single day at 6 PM UK time for 12 days. And we're just getting ready. Obviously this is going to be a separate video. Obviously Ava is 3 years old tomorrow, so growing up fast, very, very fast. Peace out guys, see you tomorrow.